Hello guys, welcome back to OnTimeNotes, and in this video we are going to cover knowledge management life cycle. It is an activity practiced by enterprises all over the world. In the process of knowledge management, these enterprises comprehensively gather information using many methods and tools, and this gathered information is organized, stored, shared and analyzed using defined techniques. Properly analyzed information will be then stored as knowledge of enterprise, and this knowledge is later used for activities such as organization, decision making and training new staff members. So now we are going to see knowledge management process or knowledge management steps. So as we can see in the diagram, it goes from down to the upwards, that is from collecting, then organizing, summarizing, analyzing, synthesizing and decision making. So first two steps, that is collecting and organizing data, then after processing these data it goes to information, then summarizing and analyzing. After information it goes to knowledge, that is decision making and synthesizing, means collecting the data at the first step, then organizing the data, and then after organizing we create a summary of the data, and finally we analyze and convert it into an information, and this information is further considered as a knowledge, and then we synthesize that and we use that knowledge to make decisions. So the first step is data collection, collecting information or data from various sources like surveys, reports or online platforms. Second is organizing, means sorting and arranging the collected data in a proper order or structure to make it easier to use. Then third is summarization, highlighting the main points or key details from the organized data for quick understanding. Fourth is analysis, means examining the data carefully to find path, trends or important insights. Fifth process is synthesis, combining all the analyzed information to create a clear and complete understanding of the topic. And the last process is decision making, that is using the processed information to solve problems, plan actions or make informed choices. So this was it for the knowledge management life cycle, and hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching till here.